definitely how you're supposed to do that. There we go. Oh boy. What do we got? What do we got?
It's cold.
It's cold. It's like -2. Snap-on?
Yep.
You think a dolly's gonna hold that thing? There's gotta be something we can do.
I can undig the tractor.
Here, this'll do it.
I keep Chinese on. I can't do that yet.
That's gonna do it?
This baby's rated for 1,000 pounds.
Where,
1,000 Chinese pounds.
where was it made?
So, well, China. So that's like 250 pounds.
Woo-wee! That's not snap-on.
Yeah, it is.
That's not the blue you ordered.
No, it's not. Why is the top look all weird?
What?
U.S. General. What happened to Snap-on?
Did you spend 10 grand? We don't gotta pick up now, do we?
Yeah,
Why?
I want to get organized. I don't leave a mess like this, like you do.
So apparently now we gotta clean up, because that's a thing we do at this garage. What'd you say?
So you gotta keep it clean, you bitch.
Alright, so here's my dad's new US General box from Harbor Freight. This is a 76-inch box, and it's honestly, for what you get, my box in comparison, my Snap-on box at work is deeper than this, but mine's a 54-inch box. So this is technically bigger. It's probably roughly around the same size, given that mine has way more depth to it. But my box, brand new for comparison, was about $10,000. This box was $1,300. Do I think you're getting near 10 times the box for the money? No, I don't. Now, is this Snap-on quality? Absolutely not. But honestly, these US General boxes are on par with a lot of the Craftsman, the Husky, that kind of thing. And I was just informed that Husky actually does a thing now where you can get casters in the middle of the box as well as on each end, respectively, which I think is stupid, because now you go to put it against a wall and you got to move it like 10,000 times. Whereas this, one side has the caster type wheels, the other side wheels are fixed. You'd only have to move it like 2 different times for it to mount flush against a wall. So obviously, I use a Snap-on box every day at work. The metal quality, the drawer slides, it's just not there on this box. But is it a fine box? I mean, yeah, it's still gonna hold your tools. And guess what? I know guys who are technicians in the shop with me and at various other shops, buddies and stuff like that, that use these US General boxes. It's not like you're moving it all over the place, so who really cares? But yeah, that's my dad's new 76-inch US General toolbox. Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. I again apologize for not getting a video last week. Right now our focus has been working on the carbon fiber hood for the Toyota Celica. So if you remember in previous videos we talked about having to take it all the way down to the bare fiber to get the cracks out, to get that green color out. Well, at this point, I literally have like 45 hours into that hood, and it's super sketchy. I'm not a body guy. Everything I learn, I'm self-taught or have watched on YouTube, or you know, I love doing it, but it's not what I do. I'm a mechanic, I'm a technician, I am not a body guy. So while I enjoy it, I'm not an expert, I don't have all the tools. So I found something that's like, is this the right way to do it? But I think it's gonna work, right? So the reason last week that we didn't get a video out is in Minnesota, it was -20 before the wind chill. Well, not the best kind of temperatures to be working on paint and body work and stuff like that. So I just had to nix it for the week, and now we're in the office right now. It's warming up a little bit. It's like 25 degrees outside right now. And I did a test piece with the scoop for the VIS carbon fiber hood, and it worked fantastic. So I'm gonna get everything kind of set up and rolling in the shop. I gotta clean up the hood itself, and I'm not showing you another video of that because it's the same thing a million different times, right? So once I get that all set up, we have VHT nightshades and clear effects from Duplicolor, as well as 2K clear from Spray Max. So my idea was that the black was going to kind of tint it. You know, it's not for that, it's for tinting taillights. But I figured it would kind of tint the resin on the carbon fiber to get that green color to go away and possibly hide some of the scratches along with the pearl in the Duplicolor Clear Effects, and it turned out pretty well. Now, there's no point in me showing you this on the hood scoop because it doesn't have a clear on it yet. So on the camera, it's not going to pick up at all. And then I had to go help my dad unload that toolbox. The day we did that, it was -2 degrees outside, so just as crappy outside. And God, that was a pain in the ass, you guys. I ended up staying at my folks' place. We got done, it was like 9:45. I live about a half hour away from them, and they live right next to where I work. So I was like, I'm not gonna drive all the way back, and yeah, it just didn't make any sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video today. I also wanted to tell you guys that we started a new content and business page on Facebook. So if you wanna follow that, it's gonna be a spin-off kind of the YouTube channel name. It's called Jarrett, SWR in all capital letters. So Jarrett, SWR, as well as doing go lives every Friday on my personal Facebook page. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment down below, like and subscribe if you have not already, and stay tuned. Next week we're going to show you the carbon fiber trick that I think I figured out for the VIS carbon fiber hood. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.